In this video, we'll cover NETLAB. You should have received your username and password, where you will change your temporary password. So now I'm going to show you how to reserve a lab. I'm going to click on the new lab reservation, choose schedule lab for myself, and you will have a couple of different course topics available. For an example, I will choose NDG A+ V3. Now I have a list of labs. Go to Preview Lab and click. This is the lab that you will be working on. It's called Lab 01-A, Examining PC Hardware. So what I recommend all students to do is to first read through this lab 2-3 times, as many times as required, so you know the objective of what you're going to do. For every lab, it starts out with the introduction, which is the overview of what the lab is about. It also states the objectives that you're going to complete. So for each of these labs, we'll also have a lab topology, and this will show you what devices that are available in NETLAB. And this is the lab settings, where it shows the virtual machines that will be used, the IP address, the account name, and the password to log into those virtual machines. Now I will show you how to reserve a lab. So let's go back under the action column, click on the down arrow, click on schedule lab, and here you will see the calendar. If you want to choose a lab immediately, click right underneath the red line. The start time will be immediately, and your end time would be rounded up to the hour. You can add more time to this, so if you want it to work for 2 hours, you can do so. 2 hours and 2 minutes, and then click submit. Reservation is scheduled. Click OK. And now you may enter the lab. You will see it's initializing the pod, which will build the virtual machines. Here is the topology of the virtual machines. Content that will show the PDF. Status, it tells you which lab devices are powered on. And then you would see all the virtual machines, such as Ubuntu, which is a Linux distribution, Windows 10, Windows 7, and Windows 8. So when you're done with your lab, you would click on reservation, and you can either request more time, you can change the exercise, meaning you could now go to do lab number 2, or you can end the reservation. If you want more time to work on your other labs, click on either request more time or change exercise. And that's it for this video on how to use NETLAB.